Imagine an extra $150 every single day, totally free. That's a massive $4,500 monthly paycheck from a side hustle, no investment needed. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, I will show you how to get started, including how to sign up, how to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal amount, and the different payment methods. By the end of this video, which is less than 2 minutes and 50 seconds long, I'll share a bonus tip on how to earn more from anywhere and cash out a high amount of money daily.
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online, okay? We share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle, right? We equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry, okay? Now, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos, alright? These videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online, okay? Now, just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, you're gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
Daily. This isn't a dream, it's SwagButts. It's a super popular platform that pays you for simple online activities you probably already do. You earn points called SB by taking surveys, watching short videos, playing games, or even shopping online. It's genuinely that easy to accumulate points. Signing up is quick and free. Once you hit just $3 in SB, you can cash out. They offer PayPal, gift cards to your favorite stores, and more. Why wait? Turn your spare time into real cash with SwagBucks. It's a game changer for your wallet. As a bonus tip, use VPN to have access to more surveys and complete them.